Welcome to Northstar Kia, your most trusted new and pre-owned automotive dealership located at 46-05 Northern Boulevard, Queens. Introducing this brand new 2023 Kia Sorento X-Line EX in white pearl. Kia is demonstrating its evolution through models like this SUV. The Sorento X-Line EX underscores Kia's dedication to innovation by offering advanced features, including an 8-inch infotainment touchscreen, premium interior materials, and a panoramic sunroof. Safety is paramount, with advanced driver assist systems like blind spot collision avoidance assist and rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist. This vehicle provides a comfortable and spacious driving environment. With Kia's unwavering commitment to progress, the 2023 Kia Sorento X-Line EX is a vehicle worth considering, offering advanced technology, comfort amenities, and a secure and enjoyable journey for all occupants. Come by Northstar and enjoy a relaxed test drive experience. Our friendly staff is here to assist you in finding the perfect vehicle that suits you. Unlocking possibilities, delivering quality, only at Northstar Kia, your premier destination for new and used cars.